In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text snippet in Slack. If you want to quickly share a block of text in a clean, organized way, Slack's text snippet feature is a great option. It's especially useful when you need to paste longer notes, code, instructions, or formatted text without cluttering the main conversation. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create one from inside Slack. To begin, open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where you want to share the snippet. Once you're there, look near the message box for the plus icon. This is the menu Slack uses for attachments and extra content. Go ahead and click on the plus icon to open the available options. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Text Snippet. Click on Text Snippet to start creating a new one. This opens the snippet editor, which gives you a dedicated space to enter your text more clearly than typing everything directly into a regular message. Now type the text you want to include in the snippet. This can be anything from a quick set of instructions to a longer section of notes. The main benefit here is readability because Slack keeps the content contained in its own snippet file rather than dropping a large wall of text straight into the chat. As you type, take a moment to make sure the content is complete and easy to understand, especially if you're sharing it with teammates. Once your text is ready, click on Create Snippet. Slack will then generate the snippet and attach it to the conversation so others can open and view it. This makes it much easier for people to read longer content without losing the flow of the chat. That's all it takes to add a text snippet in Slack. The process is simple. Open the plus menu, choose Text Snippet, enter your content, and create the snippet. If you regularly share detailed information in Slack, this is a helpful feature to keep your messages neat and professional. A quick tip before you finish. It's always a good idea to review your text before creating the snippet, since clear formatting and complete information make it much more useful for the people reading it. With just a few clicks, you can turn long messages into something much easier to share and manage. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a text snippet in Slack.